afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of The Diving Trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, I'm giving you a little bit more of an update, more research that I've been doing into HCMC, talking about a little bit about the prices and the strategies. Before I go into this video, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That really helps my channel grow, and also give it a big like. Before I actually go on and talk about anything on this video, I just want to make sure that you realize that I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I telling you what to do with your own money. This is my experience and my personal views on HCMC. So let's dig right into it. First of all, we talk about court cases, but we want to have a look at are there any other options. Okay, so the first option is Philip Morris goes with HCMC to the court on the 26th. They either reject, they don't go, or they lose. They either win or they lose. Okay, so that's the two outcomes there. Then you've got the second one, which is Philip Morris goes against HCMC on and on for years. And by that time, what will happen? Investors will slowly lose interest, sell off, and that'll be it. Third, in fact, I want to make it the fourth, but well, this is the third. Uh, Philip Morris settles out of court to avoid ruining their reputation. And fourth, Philip Morris offers to buy HCMC. Now, the third option, guys, is the option which I think they're going to go. And you'll find out why. This is my instinct, this is my conclusions, but I'll let you decide at the end of this video. My strategy is to trim some profits. I've already trimmed profits. In fact, I've returned back 100% of my initial capital, which means everything that I have in HCMC at the moment is profit. So whether it goes down to zero tomorrow, I have not lost any money at all. Okay, so that makes me sleep at nights. I haven't got loads of money in there. And again, everyone has their own strategy. Everyone can have their way of getting in, but it's important to realize that you have an exit strategy and not be greedy. Okay, so I'm not telling you what to do, but it's a little bit of advice for everyone out there. Let it go high to the moon, as they say, but also be careful. Price prediction in the short term. So in 14 days, the way the trend is going at the moment, it should go around about the way it is near the 1 cent mark. Okay, so 0.00958 is the upside, and the downside will probably be about 0.00413 US dollars. This is a little bit about the company in terms of its market cap. This has just been taken off the OTCmarkets.com webpage, which is where they're actually listed as a common stock. And they have actually outstanding shares. They have 194 billion outstanding shares. Okay, so that's a lot of outstanding shares. Market cap is at 331 million. Okay, and it's slowly rising. Will it ever get to the price of 20 cents or even $1? In my last video, I talked about 20 cents. People talk about $1. I personally don't think in the short run. I estimate if it does come out well, 5 cents a share. In the long term, it could very well be $1. I don't say that. The company could get some money, they could expand, grow, invest, and become a multi-billion-dollar company. But in the short term, I see it getting to about 5 cents. That's my personal opinion. A reverse split. A lot of people talk about reverse splits. What's a reverse split? Basically, what a reverse split is, it means taking a whole lump of shares and then put it into one. So if you, for example, had 5 shares, which is each worth $1, and they do a reverse split of 5 to 1, it means now that you have one share which is worth $5. So in fact, that doesn't actually change anything. It's just it equates to the same. So you won't lose money or win money, but there are consequences. If there are higher prices, people won't pay them. People prefer the lower prices like we're seeing at the moment. So guys, we'll save the best to last. Why do I say that? The next bit of information I'm going to give you is a bit related to what I talked to you right at the beginning of the video. So I have an instinct, I have a feeling that they're going to go down the road of settling out of court, but this is my assumption. This is not a conclusion. So I'm going to leave it for you to decide for yourself. Now, if we have a look at the HCMC video, the page, we can actually go in and have a look at the patents they actually possess. Okay, so these are the patents. Now, if you do notice that there's the R, okay, which is the trademark or the reserve right. I've come across a document. This is actually quite interesting. It's an 8K document. Okay, so an 8K document, for those of you who don't know what an 8K document, basically is a form of document to announce something to their shareholders. Okay, so it's like an announcement. So we can go into the otcmarkets.com page and we can actually, which is official the market, and we can go and we can find a whole load of information. So we can go into this one, which was on the 10th of February, and we can pull it up and see what they're talking about. This is a little bit on the investor highlights. If you remember from my first video, you know that the reason why the HCMC is suing Philip Morris is due to their ECOS patent or their product, right? Now, if we go in here, now just 2 days ago, on the 10th of February 2021, they're talking about ECOS like there's no tomorrow. So they're talking about how they're going to launch it in over 20 markets this year. They expect to commercialize this in a total of 100 markets by the end of 2025, from 64 markets at the end of 2020, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is interesting because they're talking about this product like they haven't got a court case. And if you notice that they don't have the trademark on top of it anymore, which is interesting. So what does that lead you to? They're talking about something that's quite sensitive, they shouldn't be talking about, or is there something that we don't know yet? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. That helps my channel greatly expand. So I'm actually at 110 subscribers. I'm small at the minute at the moment, but I plan to be big in the future. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And finally, guys, if you want to be part of our community, we have a Discord channel, Discord group that has over 1,000 members at the moment, and you can go in there free. And we talk about everything. We talk about penny stocks, dividends, the lot. We've even got a channel for HCMC. So don't forget to go down to the description, have a look at the link, and join us. Thanks, guys, and see you soon.